Our topic is BYOD. In this presentation, we will introduce BYOD system and present its advantages and disadvantages, cost implication, and then risks and solutions. As modern technology advances and tablet computers and smartphones rapidly increase, it is increasingly common for employees to use their personal devices to perform various tasks at work, a phenomenon known as bring your own device. Many organizations are rapidly adopting BYOD because it has proven to provide many positive effects, such as increased job satisfaction, increased employee morale, increased productivity, and consumer services. However, permitting employees to utilize their own device of preference in the workplace also brings some risks often associated with the loss of control over organizational data. Therefore, if an organization creates and applies appropriate policies and employees are aware of the risks associated with BYOD use and follow those policies well, they can help with successful use for the satisfaction of both employees and the companies. So this presentation will look at the two workplaces in which BYOD policies are being used and check whether any of them currently have problems. Of the two workplaces, data and research results will be looked at on whether there are best practices for BYOD that can be implemented by the entity, whether the entity should provide the necessary technology, and whether there are legal repercussions. And then will be presented around this issue, and conclusions and recommendations will be presented at the end.
These days, this BYOD system is adopted by the number of businesses, and many employees also expect to use their own device at work. According to the research, about 59% of companies in America allow their employees to use their personal devices for work purpose, and another 13% of companies had planned to allow use within a year. However, this BYOD system brought not only benefits to the company but disadvantages as well. In a TEK system June survey, 35% of IT leaders are not confident that their company's BYOD policies is compliant with Data and Privacy Protection Act. Also, half of the IT leaders believe that more than 25% of sensitive data is at danger due to the employee's possibility of accessing this information over personal device. Advantages and disadvantages of the BYOD system. For the advantages, employees can work on their way and improve work-life balance. For the organization can retain and attract talent and lower cost. And for the IT aspect, it simplifies operation and reduces risk. And when it comes with disadvantages, employees have to work extra work out of the workplace. And for the organization, security means handling sensitive data on personal devices is unsafe for the company. And for the IT aspect, scalability, which means don't have enough network infrastructure.
Next is complications. The value of BYOD provides a more reduced expense through an innovative approach to provision device, IT support, and develop mobile policies with comprehensive BYOD. Some companies already success in reducing cost and increasing employee productivity. That the results includes substantially. However, BYOD is exposed by hidden costs such as software, supporting and training, policy and security, and telecommunications and network management. Therefore, this graph results that shows BYOD users should have responsible for personal device expenses such as software, apps, and laptop and smartphones. Next is risk and solutions. BIOD implements let employees use their personal mobile device to do work for their company from anywhere. However, it also leads to a number of security risks to your IT infrastructures and data, also lack of knowledge about difficult software and untrained employee. The biggest reason is that data can be lost their valuable company information, which means these devices are not protected by your security system. Besides this, device can be exposed by virus because personal devices tend to connect public place and access site or download by various applications. Another reason of risk that employees address new system on their device with poor mobile management, which means risk to making errors and compromising the security of your company system. Accordingly, security programs will be required by the system to install particular antivirus software on their device and understand which applications are risky and which are safe to use, know how to separate work and private data on their device. Also, the company should conduct employee proper training.
Through this presentation, BYOD was introduced and advantages and disadvantages, and also risks and solutions were presented. When organizations make appropriate policies and employees are aware of the risks associated with BYOD use and are properly managed, they can help to be used successfully for employees and the company's satisfaction. Thank you.